Guys, Mighty Sharpedo here, and my friend Jeremiah. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, and then we're here to happy Independence Day, happy 4th of July. We're gonna, and I have my friend Miley here,
And it's also my sister, and she's only 6 years old.
Okay, and now, okay.
Here are the lovely fireworks.
Now I'm gonna tape the fireworks. Happy Independence Day. Enjoy this video.
Are you gonna put this in Facebook?
I know you do. You still see the smoke. You can still see that big smoke.
I know. Then we are fireworks.
What's next?
I think they're.
Now, for the rest of the time, we're gonna record the movie. Missed it. We're gonna record up here.
Any more fireworks?
Here. Got it. There's one right there.
And we have
There's one right there.
which fireworks?
Oh, got it. Got it. There's a bunch of fireworks. It's probably gonna be like a couple minutes long. For this giant light, like that cool light.
That was a light, and this. And I think there's another one here.
Give me a second. Give it a second.
We're gonna see there more fireworks and enjoy
The video. Independence Day.
the Independence Day, and have good luck for the rest of the episode.
And this is the end of Mighty Sharpedo's, Jeremiah's, and Miley's Independence Day adventure. Part 1 ended.